What's the meaning of built-in? Built-in. Built-in.
Built-in. Built-in. Built-in means that something is already included or integrated into a device or system, without requiring any additional or external components. For example, a laptop may have a built-in webcam, meaning that the camera is already installed and ready to use without needing an external one to be connected. A built-in feature or function is designed to work seamlessly with the device or system and is often considered convenient and efficient. Built-in components may improve the overall performance and usability of the device or system, while also reducing the need for additional hardware.